So guys, panoorin po natin itong balita mula kay Kitty Duterte. Binisita niya po si former President Duterte. May good news kaya mga kababayan. So panoorin natin itong buong panayam ni Alvin Dave Sate, si Alvin in Tourism kung sa Facebook page niya mga kababayan. So subscribe niyo po si Alvin Dave Sate sa kanyang YouTube channel. So ito na po, sabay-sabay natin panoorin mga kababayan itong ibabahaging balita ni Kitty Duterte, ang kanyang anak na babae. So, eto na po mga kababayan.
Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm okay. The visit went well today. I was with my sister Mira. It's their first time seeing each other again. Mira and our dad for
Almost 10 months.
Yes,
yeah.
almost 10 months. So, ayun, when the moment we saw him, we shouted as usual, and then Mira ran to him and then gave him a big hug and a kiss. And then medyo matagal yung kiss. I think dala na rin ng longing and all of these emotions, you know. She's a smart girl, so although she does not understand everything, she has a concept of, you know, what's happening.
Kit, is it possible for you to share to us what was the first reaction of the former president seeing Mira for the first time?
He had a different smile and a different kind of look in his eyes when he saw Mira. You know, he's been looking for her for the longest time. We all know that. Every time he calls or every visit, he looks for her. He looks for her and, you know, asks about her. When is she visiting? When is she coming? And then we always have to tell him, you know, she has school. Of course, we don't want everything that's happening to affect her life as well. I myself, I'm protecting her as best I can, and I'm making certain that life goes on for her, you know.
Kitty, is it possible for you also to share how did the former president celebrated his birth, the
His
Christmas
Christmas.
season? Yes, his Christmas.
Well, he is a very social person depending on the crowd. So if he doesn't feel the crowd, he prefers to be alone. Inside, he does have some acquaintances, but not everyone. So he was with them for a meal, for a bit, for certain meals. He didn't mention in specific, but he ate with his acquaintances or friends inside, and then ayun na, for the most part, he spent it talking to the guards, walking around, or in his room watching television pa rin.
Nag-prepare bang ICC detention ng something for...
I don't think the detention unit mismo, but as of what I heard, at what I've heard, yung mga detainees, yung they make their own events or celebrations inside.
Kit, how does it feel like to celebrate Christmas like this with your father, celebrating it separately, but eventually seeing them after the Christmas season?
It's hard, you know, but well, in life, we have to learn to adjust and adapt to whatever situation or whatever cards we're dealt with. So that's just what I'm doing right now.
And how about your Christmas, Kitty? How did you celebrate your Christmas here in the Netherlands?
My Christmas was okay. Saan ba ako nung Christmas? I was with a few friends, pero umuwi din ako. I'm not the biggest extrovert, so I'm not the biggest fan of crowds. So, what do you call this? Parang midnight and the Christmas day mismo, I spent it alone. Well, I like it actually. So yeah, I still enjoy it nonetheless.
Is it also safe to assume that you're also going to celebrate New Year here in the Netherlands?
Like I mentioned before, we don't have visits on the day mismo. So maybe in the Netherlands, yes, but not here with him.
But the former president is also aware that he will be
Yes,
celebrating the New Year. Is there something specific that he wants to relate to the Filipino people now that it's already after Christmas season and then for the
yes.
New Year time?
I'm trying to remember
New
his
Year's time.
message. Pero I told him something. I told him a quote. There was I think it was by, just to, you know, uplift him and strengthen his spirit. I said, it's a quote from Virgil, the Roman poet. I said, "The gates of hell are open night and day. Smooth the descent, easy is the way. But to come back and view the cheerful skies, in this the task and mighty labor lies." So, PRRD is very poetic as well. So he understood it straight away. And then he said, don't worry about me, it's okay. He said, that this is the price I have to pay because I saved, my country and the youth. And then I replied again na, they know. I said, yeah, I'm sure that they know, that you guys know. So, ayun, parang may, alam mo yung poetic exchange of lang. Ganun siya magsalita. He talks in rhetorics, ganun.
Is the former president still aware that there are still Filipinos coming from all over the world?
Yes,
Still
he knows.
okay.
He knows. And ayun nga, he's very happy about it. And sabi niya nga noon, and paminsan-minsan na sabihan mo, hindi ako makalabas pa. Kaya, pero he knows and he feels very grateful to everyone. And like he always says, for his family and for the Filipino people, love to all. Love to all.
Are there questions from the crowd that you want to ask?
Uy, salamat di ay sa kuan.
Okay.
Ay, Bisaya man.
Bisaya.
Lagi.
But on behalf of the Filipino community from all over the world, we would like to convey our Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to the Duterte family in
Thank
general.
you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all.
Thank you.
Naman Christmas.
Do you have
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Do you have a New Year's resolution perhaps that you want to share to everyone?
New Year's resolution. Unsa pa man? Gwapa na ko, namayat na ko.
Correct. Lala sa imutan.
New Year's resolution. Sa ba akong resolution?
Probably something to think about for tomorrow.
Siguro.
Okay.
Wala pa ko kakuan. Wala, siguro kuan na lang. Ba akong New Year's resolution. I-maintain na lang niya akong lawas. Di na ako magpatambok.
Thank you, Kate.
Oo,
Mabuhay ka.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, ayun mga kababayan, anong masasabi nyo dito sa pahayag ni Kitty Duterte na binisita ang kanyang tatay dito sa ICC, sa The Hague. So, grabe mga kababayan, umabot na rin ng ilang buwan si former president sa The Hague. Ang tagal na rin, mga kababayan. Pero, I hope na sana makalaya siya, At ayun nga, sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa ICC, ang daming nangyayari sa kanilang kamalasan. Simula nung, ayun nga, sabi ng karamihan na kinidnap si former President Duterte. Simula nung nangyari yun mga kababayan, ay ang dami ng kamalasan na nangyari sa kanila, Unang-una na sa ginawa ng US, nagbigay ng sanction. At yun nga, kinansela yung mga passport, ay yung mga visa ng kanilang mga anak, pati yung mga pamilya, mga kamag-anak, ay pinarusahan ni President Trump. Pangalawa na rin mga kababayan, sa ginawa din po ng Russia. Naglabas ng arrest warrant ang Russian government na dakpin ng itong mga ICC judges, So alam naman natin ilang kilometro lang, sabi nga ng karamihan, na pwedeng gawin agad ng Russia, ito na dakpin nga itong ICC judges. Kasama po yung pinaka-head ng ICC. Ngayon si Khan, mga kababayan. At marami pa pong nangyayari sa kanila ngayon na talagang minalas-malas, mga kababayan. So, ayun po yung mga nangyayari sa kanila. So, mag-comment kayo mga kababayan kung anong masasabi nyo dito sa tila ba mga kababayan bumabaligtad yung sitwasyon ngayon. At sigurado itong si Trillanes, sila de Lima ay magagalit ito kasi sa ginagawa ng US at ng Russia. Pati nga ang China, mga kababayan, ay umalma na nga rin dito sa ICC. So pinakamatindi talaga nung ginawa ng US. Grabe. Inalaban kasi nila yung mga untouchable na bansa, no? Itong US, Russia. Parang gusto nila galawin nila eh. Akala nila matitibag nila. Lalo na itong USA. Ayan, binigyan sila ng parusa. So, ayun, hindi sila makalabas-labas ngayon, mga kababayan. Pati nga pagbili ng mga kung ano-anong mga pagkain daw ay nahihirapan itong mga ICC judges dahil nga sa ginawa ng US. So, ayun po mga kababayan, hanggang dito na lang. Sa mga bagong pasok dyan, pa-subscribe po ng ating channel. At yan, mag-comment kayo sa pahayag ni Kitty Duterte dito sa pagdalaw niya kay former President Duterte. Kasama rin yung kapatid niya, no, na maliit pa. So, ayun po mga kababayan, maraming salamat po.